Hey guys, so I told y'all in class today that I would go back and make a recording because we had so many issues today with Microsoft Teams. So I'm just going to start here with second period. So as usual, we're just going to go to our modules. And remember, we always have a bell ringer, so if you weren't able to make it into the meeting today, make sure you go back and do your bell ringer. Here is a review video of characteristics of living things. You can use that. Excuse me. Don't forget to sign up for Remind, depending on which class you are and what you're looking at, or when you're watching this video. I just picked second period, so remember, you all have a different Remind code. So make sure that you sign up for the Remind for the class that you are actually in, okay? Everybody will join the same Quizlet, so just follow that link there. Okay, back to business. So when you click this, it's supposed to link you over to the assignment. I'm not going to change that, but I need you to follow this all the way through to the end. But when you click on that, you're going to click Make a Copy. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to slow my computer down anymore. But you will make a copy, and then you will need to share that with me. Let me scoot my video over here. You'll just click Share, and you can start typing in Bethany.Almond. And you should find me. So you can just share that with me. So your actual assignment today is this graphic organizer. Okay. So you will answer the questions in each of these columns in the box that it lines up with. So the fish example, we have Dory here. Do fish reproduce? Yes, they do. How? It says explain. Fish reproduce sexually, so you would write that in there. Now, some organisms still do reproduce, but they reproduce asexually, so make sure that you clarify for each of these, and they tell you when they need to clarify. So next, this one, adapt and evolve. Do fish adapt and evolve? Yes, they do. And you could give some specific examples if you wanted to for certain adaptations, for certain fish or something like that if you wanted to, that's fine. For this example, gills help them to breathe. Remember, they're going to be able to have the water pass over their gills, and the gills are going to be responsible for exchanging CO2 out and bringing the oxygen in. Do they respond to their environment? Yes, they do. They can respond to changes in temperature. They also respond to the direction of the current. So like salmon, think about salmon, they swim upstream. Next, we have energy. How does it obtain energy? Yes. Yes, fish do. And how do they do that? By eating. And fish eat either vegetation or they eat other fish, depending on the kind of fish we're talking about. Do they maintain homeostasis? Yes, they do. And they do that with this gas exchange. So you may not really be thinking about it in terms of temperature, but they do. Okay. Next, we have organized, and this sounds a little weird, but think about it like we talked about yesterday with the levels of organization. So going from cells to tissues to organ systems, and how all those organ systems work together in the body of that organism. Next, do they grow and develop? Yes, they do. And if you've seen Finding Nemo, then you know that they start off as eggs and change. Sorry about that. So yes, we're just talking about how they're organized throughout. Grow and develop. That's where I was at. Sorry. So they do grow and develop, and if you've seen Finding Nemo, then you saw Nemo start off as the egg, and then they change into fish, and then they grow into larger fish. All right. So these are the 7 characteristics of living things, as we went over yesterday. And if you recall, in order for something to be considered a living thing, they have to have all 7 characteristics of living things. So if you have yes in all 7 boxes, then is it living? Yes. And how do you know? Because it has all the characteristics of life. Okay. So some of these you're going to have to do a little research on. Probably coronavirus, I would imagine. Maybe or maybe not plants. Maybe mushrooms. Then there's E. coli bacteria, water, and elephant. So you're just going to answer the box, do they reproduce? And if so, explain, like all the way through. Excuse me. Now, one other little funky thing about this that I couldn't get fixed before this was pushed out to you guys. When you start typing in here, so if you were to say, do plants reproduce? I think we all know that yes, they do. This is going to pop up. So if you see these highlighted words that are popping up here, to get them out of your way and stop worrying about them, press the delete key and it'll just get it out of the way. Because obviously if you've already written about fish, you're not going to be telling me about fish later on because there are no other fish on this graphic organizer. So you would say, yes, plants, can't type. Plants reproduce sexually through pollen and ovules. Now, if you notice as I'm typing, this box just keeps extending. And when I leave that box, well, it actually did fix it this time. But let's try this one. And I'll just start typing out nonsense. Okay. So when I click out of that box, it's going to make it to where you can't easily go in and start typing about energy. So all you would need to do to make this populate or fill up just the box that it's in is you're going to go up here to Format. You're going to go down here to Text Wrapping, and you're going to click on Wrap. And it just pushes everything into the box that it's supposed to be in. I think if you were to highlight this whole chart on the inside, you can do that. And that way, you know, if you do it one time, you don't have to do it for all of them. And that would definitely help. So there's the specifics for how to do that activity. All right, turning it in is a whole other story. So let's come over here to assignments. Actually, let me click on student view real quick. Go to assignments and click on Colt Graphic Organizer. Excuse me. You're going to come over here. These are all the directions. Make sure you read that. I'm not going to read that with you right now. But come over here to Submit Assignment. And you will come down here. It has the option to do Google Drive. Honestly, because I'm a student, or I'm not a student, when I click on that, it says I can't do it while I'm masquerading because I'm masquerading as a student. So I can't actually play with that one and see for sure how it works. Try it out. If it doesn't work, do the file upload. But before you can upload the file, you need to come over here, go to File, Download, and the best ones that I've seen so far have come through as a PDF. I'm not sure if Excel is going to format correctly. You know, that's a Google versus Microsoft argument, but I know that the PDF is going to work. So if you were to download it as a PDF, then save it somewhere that you know how to access it. But then when you come back to turn the assignment in, you'll go to Submit Assignment. Oops, sorry, you have to choose File. And let's say if this were my assignment, which it's not, it's just an image. But if that were my assignment, I would choose it. And then I would click Submit Assignment. Okay? That's all that you're going to have to do to turn this assignment in. Oh, if you're going to do the Google Drive, if you're going to upload it through Google Drive, just make sure that you did that step with me, or shared it with me earlier, where I showed you the, where you just click share. Just make sure you've put me in there. Okay? I hope this helps. I'm sorry if you guys missed the lesson this morning. Teams was having a lot of issues, but that's okay. And I hope that this helps. If you're having any other issues, make sure that you're in Remind. Feel free to send me a text. I'll be accessible throughout the day. Send me an email, anything like that. If you need me to get into Teams and share my screen with you and show you anything else, I'll be more than happy to. But you just got to let me know. Okay? Be expecting a video tomorrow about Mastery Connect. That way everybody knows exactly how to get in and do their assignment for tomorrow. Okay? Take care. Let me know if you need help.